And that's how you take care of one of the big green guys. Dodge his shit and shoot him with tech arrows. Sounds like what the fuck is that noise? Welcome back to Turok. I'm in front of here with these beautiful statues and those nice fire effects. Let's continue. This way, since there's a checkpoint this way. Checkpoints usually mean you're going the right way. Usually. I could just be ass wrong. There's a guy up there. Hello, guy. And you died. I heard you die. I heard your death squeals. I can't get up there. There's... You motherfucker. Who do you think you are? Where you at? Someone shot me. There's a big guy. And he shoots fire. Pew! 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 Thought you could get the one up on me, did you? You were wrong. Okay. Look, water. What graces me? Oh, look, health. Love me some health. Turn around. There you go. Turn around. There we go. Now get your ass back up to the top. Whoa! That was close. It was very close. It's down here. Oh, this one's not very deep. Okay. Raptors are damn sneaky. That's a monkey that doesn't do shit. I thought it might drop health if I shoot it. Didn't drop health. There's a key over there. But how do I get over there? That's the real question. There's a raptor behind me. I'm out of pistol ammo. That's not good. That guy tried to kill me. It wasn't very nice. Wait, shit. Who just... Who spawned? Oh, you're a big guy. You're a big guy. You do a lot of damage. Fuck. The guys that shoot the plasma with their plasma rifles deal so much damage. It's redonk. That's a box of bullets. I like that. We got a portal here. Portals are nice. Oh, fuck. Fuck. It's not good. I'm almost dead. And he dropped the health. Oh, that's a save spot, not a key. Shit. Okay. I'm very close to being dead. It's not good. Whoa! Rocks fell on him. I am very grateful for that because he probably would have killed me. Okay. So I like the way that played out. There's more rocks falling. And that ammo just disappeared. There's a spike trap there. It's not gonna scare me this time. You fuck. Almost out of ammo again. We are going to hug this. Okay, there's nothing down there. There's a lot of raptors here. Going up hills. The higher up I... People shooting me and shit. There's no need for that. There really isn't. Got a checkpoint there, so if I die again, I don't have to go back too far. That's nice. This level is very nice. There's checkpoints. There's really tall things. There's raptors trying to kill me that I can't see. That's an arch. Okay. What's over there? There's ammo over there. I think that's probably pistol ammo too. Looks like a box of bullets. It was. Oh, it was. What is this? That's a big thing. That's a big arch. Or are those giant trees? Why are those the only two giant trees here? Why is there so many damn raptors trying to kill me? Okay, where's that pig at? I just saw you. I'm gonna shoot the shit out of you, and you better squirt. That's that. There you are. Okay, squirting blood everywhere. More fucking raptors. Oh no, you're not a raptor. You're still a bitch. That's ammo. And hell, oh, I missed the health. Son of a bitch. A lot of shotgun ammo in here. I don't need shotgun ammo. I need health. I need raptor repellent. Raptor repellent. That's what I really need. And shit to stop spawning and try to kill me. I don't need that in my life right now. Where are you at? I don't know you. You're down there somewhere. I know you are. Excuse me? Something just happened. I'm not sure what happened, but something happened. A little confused. Something moved. Or opened up. One of the two. What is that? That's a shotgun. That's the automatic shotgun. I already got one of those. You got armor now, though. That's good. That's probably what opened up, actually. Yeah, I see you. You don't... Drop that health. Oh, there's a bridge. There's a rickety-ass bridge. Those are always very nice. Let's go across it. You see that blood mist? And that's how you take care of one of the big green guys. Dodge his shit and shoot him with tech arrows. Sounds like what the fuck is that noise? Is that a waterfall or something? More of these guys. I hate these guys. They're assholes. That's blood. Fuck off. Don't need you. You lizard peckerhead. Still thinking they can beat me. They just can't. Is that bones? A lot of dead stuff happened in here. What is that? More dead stuff. More dead stuff. A lot of dead stuff. Okay. Hello. You're dead. Hello. You're dead. This cave's very open. I'm not used to it being open like this. Where's my Turok flashlight at? I need a Turok flashlight. Oh, that's a big one. That one was big. He tried to hurt me. These bullets. Wait, no, that's shotgun shells. Okay. This way. Which way are you coming from? I don't know which way you're coming from. I really do hope I'm going the right way. I'll be very depressed if I'm not. This cave is very long. There's something over here. That looks like a minigun. How do I get that open? I would like to have that minigun, please. Minigun, please. And there's armor in there. And a lot of, there's like at least an extra life of those things in there. Oh god, I want that minigun really bad. But how do I get it? I don't know. That's not how I get it. Let's go back. How do I get the minigun? I want the minigun. I think I'm just straight up going backwards now. So let's find the minigun again. There it is. Wasn't there 2 ways to go? I don't think there was 2 ways to go. Never mind. Because that's the right way to go. What's this way? Oh, you bastard. You bastard. What's to the right then? Not shit. What the hell? I can't even get my angle right. Oh, okay, you guys are pissing me off. There's not even anything ever in here. Oh! Wait. Oh, shit. Thought I fell. Did not fall. That scared the shit out of me, though. Wait, what? What just happened? Oh, I did almost fall. I grabbed onto that. That was luck. What's... Stuff's just... It sounds mean. We'll figure out how to get through this cave in the next episode.